Hey, my name's Stefani Nurding. I'm the owner of SALON skateboards and I studied fashion at Plymouth College of Art. I'm a skateboarder and I was a skateboarder before I went to study fashion in Plymouth, and then shortly after I graduated I did a lot of content creation and collabing with brands and some modelling, skateboarding, and I worked with some pretty big companies doing that, and then recently I just decided to start my own company. My company, SALON, I noticed that there was not many companies within skateboarding that were representing women, and when they were never representing feminine women, and so I felt like that was me. And also there was no brands either that did 50-50 women and men, it was never equal. So my aim with SALON is to just do a brand that is for everyone and portray skateboarding how it is for me, and obviously do some cool clothes and get to do some nice collections and experiment with that. Whilst I was at the college, I'd studied fashion, but I worked a lot in the print studio. That was my favourite thing to do. I really liked screen printing and using the Mamaki printer. I feel like the biggest achievement of my time studying was the actual final fashion show. It really brought everyone together, and whilst everyone was studying individually and studying really hard, all the lecturers kind of mucked in, everyone just came together and made it happen. That was a really good feeling.